Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to have another episode of Thrift. In this episode, we will be making compilated shorts from an old jersey shorts. So this is what I use. It is my dad's old jersey shorts, and you can use any jersey shorts that you'd like as long as it is big and loose. So yeah, so let's start. First thing you're gonna do is to get a short and a paper, and you're going to trace your favorite shorts in the paper. And if you have a bigger paper, then you can actually trace up onto the waistband of the shorts. So this is what I did. I just traced it, especially at the crotch area, emphasizing the angle there. And in this part, I'm actually going to make a little curve because I want the style of my shorts to be a little bit more ladylike. So I just made a curve like there and cut the traced paper. After cutting this traced paper, this just a reminder everyone, this is only the other side, the front side, so we will be making the back side later on. So place your shorts on a plain surface and then put your paper on top like so, and make sure that you're going to have enough fabric to work with when you're putting this paper. So just cut it after placing the paper on top. And after this, in this part actually I cut all the way to the waistband of the shorts because I want to include the waistband. I want to use it as my waistband. So yeah, I cut it all the way to the waistband of the shorts. And you're going to cut two of the same size and the same it's going to be our front side. So this is another side, another piece of our front side. So we're going to have two pieces of this and just cut it like so. And then after cutting the second piece of the front side, and this is our front side, and we trace it like that. And the next thing you're going to do is to trace it this way and create two pieces of this side. So this is actually the other side, the back side. And as you can see, the crotch area is in the different side. It's facing the left side, and you're going to actually stitch it in the crotch area like that. So as you can see, the crotch side is facing the left side here. This one, the crotch side is facing the right side. And the same thing you're going to do is you're going to stitch that way up until there. Just hand stitch it, it will be okay. From the top, the waistband, to the bottom. So after stitching, this is what it's gonna look like. So that's our front side, and this is our back side of the shorts. So after stitching it, what you're going to do is place it together, but make sure that the right sides are facing together. So just like what I'm doing here, the right sides facing together. And what I'm doing here in this part is I'm just cleaning the edges, cutting the excess fabric. And yeah, that's my sister peeping on the camera, but yeah. So I just cut the excess fabric like so. And after cutting the excess fabric, you're just going to be stitching the sides of the shorts, but don't include the curved side. Just stitch it all the way there, just there. Stitch these two pieces of sides, or two pieces of sides of the shorts together, and then after stitching it will look like this. So this is going to be our shorts, but remember to also stitch the crotch area together like this. Just the basic hand stitch will do. And with the remaining fabric that I have, if you can remember, I have this yellow and blue stripes on the sides of my jersey shorts. So I just cut these strips because I will be using it as my outline for my shorts. So just cut it like that, and because I have two sides, I have two stripes of this blue and yellow color also. After that, I just cut at the center to make two strips out of this one strip. So all in all, you're going to have 4 of these strips, and that's what you're going to make as, and you're going to use as your outline. So what you need to do here is you fold your strips like this. You also need to fold the other side like so, and then just pin it in place because we are going to be placing it like this. I'm going to show you here. So just place the edge of your short in between and then stitch it like that, so it will be your shorts outline. And this is what it looked like after. So I just clean it a little bit, and we're going to show you the final result later on. But in this, I still have some remaining fabrics and I don't want it to go to waste. So what I did here is I want to create a hair scrunchies, and it's very simple. So because I don't have a fabric that's long enough, I just combined or connected this two strips together to make 1/2 meter length of strip and 2.5 inches wide. So what I did here is folded it, and I'm going to stitch it in this all the way to the other side of this strip. So after stitching, just turn it inside out and it will look like this. And with an elastic elastic band, just measure the circumference of your wrist and insert it on the strip, and voila, this is your hair scrunchies. Very simple. And this is my before look. And yep, that's me playing basketball and shoot. Oh, 3 points. Okay, so this is the after. It looks more ladylike now, and it fits me so well too. So yep, that's my short, and of course our really cute hair scrunchies. Thank you for watching, everyone.